In this video, we're going to be looking at how to develop awesome web tools. Example of this type of tools is CyberTools. Let's just look at some of the features. Some of the features, let's see. Fully featured software as a service. Okay, these are some of the features. User authentication, subscription management, premium tools, Stripe payment. We have this in our software. After building this software, we are going to see all this. It supports multi-language. Another features like this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, to download the script, please kindly use our affiliate link in the description to download the script. So, as I'm saying earlier about the features, I say fully featured software as a service platform, more than 1 unique web tools, multi-language support, Google AdSense friendly, SMTP support, static pages, contact form, and just features like that. Let's see the demo how it's going to look like after building our site. Let me open new tab. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also to build this script. To build something like this, kindly use the IAM link in the description to IAM, and to develop to install your script. So now, this is how the script is going to look like after building it. Now, after downloading my script, I go straight to my cPanel. On my cPanel, I go to my file manager. For my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'll be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I have already uploaded in my script, so next I'm going to extract it. Install files. So next I'm going to close this. Let me open the extracted file. So I'm going to copy all the documents and files there, then I will move them to the root folder. Click on move files. Next I click on back. Now let me copy my subdomain. I'm going to open a new tab and paste it there, then enter. So next I'm going to click on next. Purchase code, I'm going to fill it here. After filling it here, then I will click on next. Then next I'm going to create my database for me to be able to fill this place. So let me go back to my cPanel. Then I go to my databases. Here's my databases. Then I go to manage my databases. I want to create my database. So let me name my database as CyberTools DB. Okay. So that's what I name my database. Yes, I click on create database. So after creating my database, next I'm going to create my database user. Okay, copy. and I click on create user. User created successfully. I click on go back. Now let's look at, here's my database I just created. That's why as you can see, there's nothing in front of it. It has no privileges yet. So now I'm going to add users to the database. It has already selected it for me automatically. Then I click on add. I give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. So success, user has been added to the database successfully. So next I'm going to copy my database username, go back to my site. That's my username. I paste it there. Database name. This is my database name. Okay. Yes. Then I click on next. And let me close here. Specify name. Let me say admin. Yes, specify email. Let me say admin at let me say email.com. Okay. Yes. Website. So let me remove this /public. Okay, let me leave it. I click on finish. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, I've successfully installed it. Now let me go to /admin to see, just to see /admin. I click on enter. Okay, yeah, very beautiful. Yes, so here I can now log in with my demo data, but I'm not doing that. This is my demo data account. If I want to log in, I'll just log in with my demo data, which is this. So after that, this is where I'm going to stop for in this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. To install your script, please kindly use my, or you kindly use the affiliate link in the description to hire me. Thank you.